Greetings from Nature Unseen 360. Welcome to the channel. I request humbly, before going into the details, please subscribe and click on the bell icon that you won't miss an update in future. Baby cry. The superb lyrebird is capable of mimicking a wide variety of sounds, including cry alarm, chainsaw. These birds are found in Australia and New Guinea, and their superb mimicry is thought to help them attract mates and defend their territories. In addition to the sounds of other animals and machines, lyrebirds have also been known to imitate human speech. Human sound. The lyrebird is called such because its tail feathers, when spread out in display, resemble a lyre. The name is derived from the bird's resemblance to the instruments, not the other way around. Yes, of course, a lyrebird can imitate the human voice. Lyrebirds are incredible mimics and have been known to imitate the sounds of chainsaws, car engines, car alarms, dog barking, and the human voice. The lyrebird is not related to the peacock. The lyrebird is member of the family Menuridae or D, while the peacock is a member of the Phasianidae or a D family. Lyrebirds aren't rare. There are two species of lyrebird: the Albert's lyrebird, the superb lyrebird, both of which are found in Australia. The Albert's lyrebird is found in very restricted habitat in Queensland, while the superb lyrebird is found throughout southeastern Australia. We cannot keep a lyrebird as a pet because these birds require a large amount and variety of insects to keep them healthy. Lyrebirds are ground dwellers and their brown bodies rather resemble those of chickens. In the so-called superb lyrebird, the male's tail consists of 8 pairs of ornate feathers, which resemble a lyre when erect. Lyrebirds can learn to mimic human speech. However, their mimicry is not perfect and they are not able to produce all the sounds of human speech. Lyrebirds are vulnerable to native predatory birds such as the collared sparrowhawk, grey goshawk, and currawongs. Lyrebirds can have a lifespan of 30 years and are not ready to reproduce until they are at least 5 years old. The male showy tail feathers don't even start to come in until he is at least 3. But as the bird gets older, his repertoire of songs and sounds become more complex and more accurate. In the wild, lyrebirds are shy creatures which make them difficult to study. We know very little about the social life of wild lyrebirds or their natural behavior. When responding to threats, lyrebirds will freeze, sound an alert call or seek cover and hide. Male lyrebirds defend territories from other males in an attempt to impress female lyrebirds. The male will build a platform of dirt or sticks on which to perform courtship dances for potential mates. Alright, see you soon with another informative video in future. Thank you very much.